Alright, what's going on, everyone? Figure I would make a video to tell everyone how we're doing and all that good stuff. But what I've been doing at home is basically a lot of scrap. I've been in my box a lot, listening to music a lot. I was in there for about 2 hours already. So, show you guys what I've been doing in here. Got motors there, the tops of them, whole bunch of the compressors I've been cutting apart. Music's off, that's good. But I don't know, this is what I've been doing. Got my grinder all set up. Been basically cutting all these open today. Wanting to get all these out of here. I already cut open a bunch yesterday. I think I did like 17 yesterday within a 2-hour period. So then I was out here today, cut off all the tops. Still got to put a line down it, and then a line, well, got to put a line down it and a line across, then hit this with a hammer to pull this out. But I'll show you guys all that. Basically just took a break to well, I already sweeped. You can see that's all like the dust and all that. Even my chair gets a little bit burnt from the hot piece of metal, so you can imagine what it does to like jeans and clothes and stuff. But basically took a break to go use the bathroom, talk to my wife, and want to have another beer. But so how have I been doing with this Corona stuff? I guess alright. I can't say anything special about it. I guess the good thing is I get to do a bunch of scrap and I don't have to worry about the markets or anything else. But staying home all the time is driving me nuts. Yeah, you can see how dirty my workstation is, how dirty my gloves get. I just threw out my old mask. Let me show you what that looked like. So that's from cutting a while. But finally just replaced that today, and you can already see this one's starting to get a little bit black. And this was one that wasn't too bad, but I had it hanging up and the elastic totally like stretched out. So can't really use that anymore. Plus the inside was all dirty. But I'm gonna get back to cutting. I guess I can't play music right now since I'm gonna show you guys what I'm cutting and all that, which kind of sucks, but if I want to monetize stuff, that's what I gotta do. I gotta clean this. Oh yeah, it's all in there. That sucks. So I gotta take that all apart just to clean that. Alright, well, I'm gonna have my beer. I'm gonna clean that. When you guys get back, I'll be all set up to cut. Well, I still gotta put all my protective stuff on and all that, so it'll take me a little bit. Alright, well, got you guys back early. Want to let you guys know, for those of you who do not know, I'm going to be a father in September. I'm having a baby boy, so I'm really excited about that. Mom's back from Myrtle Beach. She's been staying with us because of all this Corona stuff. Happy to have her back. It's a big relief on my end. Like, I kept worrying about her down there, and now she's home. She's doing good. She's gonna sell her trailer and buy another trailer. Things didn't work out with people she was going to be traveling with, so they're just going to sell the trailer, split the money, and my mom's going to buy another trailer. End of that story. But yeah, mom's doing very good. Me, I've been fixing stuff around the house, and the pregnant lady, my wife, Britt, she's been doing very well also. I've been very scared for her because she's been working at New Lisbon, and anybody who has me added on Facebook, you can see the stuff we've been sharing, but at her job, she has 400 residents. Over 220 of them have the coronavirus. They've been wearing masks, they've been wearing gowns and stuff like that, but they won't let her go out on maternity leave. So that sucks. We did get a doctor's note that's saying she cannot work with the corona people, but they can't put her out of work yet. So, yeah, I know, it sucks. What else? I've been keeping in contact with my buddy Dave. I keep seeing a bunch of stuff he's been doing, like gardens and stuff. Me and Britt actually did a few gardening things, but nothing to really share. Nothing as major as my buddy Dave's been doing. Naz has been doing good also. Been keeping up with him when he does his live videos online. And basically all my other friends, I talk to them once in a while, but everyone else, it seems like they're in my boat also. It's been hard for everyone. I can't collect unemployment because it wasn't on the books, so I'm screwed on that part. So I've been making no money. Been struggling. But my mom has been helping me out, and basically my credit card bill's been going like skyrocketing because I have no cash to pay them, and just been paying the minimum payment, so it sucks. So yeah, I know, I don't know, but let me tell you guys a little bit about what we're doing with the motors. Also, mine's like all over the place, you guys already know that. Like crazy, I know it. With my wife Britt, at work she's been staying safe and everything. Now she's working with a one-on-one person, which is good for her. That way it's less exposure for her, so she only has to deal with that one person. Alright, back to the motors, because I want to get like cutting and everything. Want to drink my beer real quick and finish all this up, because I don't want to be out here all night. So this is all oil from the motors. Basically, when I cut the motors open, when I get the coil out, there's still a little bit of oil in there, so flip it over here, drains into that, which I pour into these things. You see, that's yummy yum. And they go to the township, which is disposed of properly, so there's no seeping into the ground or nothing like that. Basically, you guys can see it. Keep my work area very clean. No oil on the floor, no nothing. Basically, it's just dirt from cutting stuff. But all the oil goes into these, which gets poured into there, and that gets poured into the other thing. I got it set up pretty special, so this hole drains the oil into the thing, while this one gives it air. I know, it's kind of crazy, but this is what the copper coil looks like, which you already saw a bunch of them. Alright, I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna drink some beer and then get you guys back. Sorry for talking so much, my bad. But haven't seen you guys in like forever. You guys haven't seen me, so had a bunch to talk about today. Alright, we'll get you guys back in a while. Alright, I'm gonna get all my protective gear put on, put you guys in my little GoPro case, hat up there, set up, and we'll get to cutting. All these are number 2 copper. They're actually solid copper. The ones that are steel get cut off and thrown into there. Ones I haven't cut are in here. But basically what we're going to do first, I'm going to cut the tops off of 2 of these, cut the sides off, show you all that good stuff, and then we're going to do the slice down the side, then vertical, then hit that motor out, and I'll show you the rest as we go on. All right. All right, welcome back, everyone. Oh. Let me get you guys out of here real quick. All right, you can see how dirty I got, how dirty this all got, but that's all part of the process. So, hope you guys could see in the beginning I was trying to rush, and the grinder caught the top of it, which knocked this over. Now it's always best to have the side handle still on, that way you have two hands, figure out which one you can grab the grinder with real quick, and try grab the other thing, that way it doesn't spill oil. And then we were hitting the motor out. Oh, chipmunk just like ran past me right on the gate. Came out of nowhere. Then when we were hitting the motor out, this fell over, which spilled a bunch of oil on the thing. But we got our rags to clean that up real quick. Alright, these are done draining. Now these still have about, well, if you tip them over, maybe 2 or 3 drops will come out. That's it. I always throw them inside something when I bring them to the scrapyard, like either a tote, a refrigerator, or something like that. That way no oil gets on my truck, in the ground, nothing like that. But you can see, here's all the oil that came out. It's quite a bit. So we got all them cut apart. We got our bucket of motors that came out of these, plus 16 or 17 that I did yesterday. We got a stash of blades, so plenty of blades. Alright, also with these round ones, what you want to do with these is, well, these, I cut off all these copper things on the side, but I also drill a hole right in the top and then flip them over there. That way the oil drains out of them. They're easier to do than these guys. But then again, these take more work, because then you got to have a toolbox, and they have bolts you got to unscrew. There's always like 4 in each one. I don't have one to show you guys, but that's about it for today. I'm gonna empty this, I'm gonna clean up, sweep a little bit, throw these out in the refrigerator out there, and I'm done. Basically it's only go inside and work on the house inside, or play Xbox or something. But I'll probably finish cutting these 4 apart. Just stinks because now I gotta put all the protective gear back on and start the whole process all over again. But you can see I got the tarp up. This protects all the totes that are back here because they're all dollar stuff. Yeah, I got a lot of dollar stuff. So that protects all that, make sure nothing gets on that, and that way I'm able to work out here. But this is my own little area. Alright, we'll catch you guys later. And thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. It'll help me do more videos, hopefully in the future when the market's back open. And we'll see you guys there. Alright, bye. Got a nice beautiful sky. Looks like it may pour or something. Very dark clouds. But we got all our motors up here to be cut later on. So we'll cut them later, and we'll hoard all our copper. I'll bring you to see the copper. Give me like 10 minutes and I'll show you all the buckets I have. Well, I still have some more over there, but I'll show you the main buckets. Alright, so a little difficult to see, but looks like I got 2 buckets of #1 copper, and then I I'll count how many I have of number 2. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 buckets of number 2, and then 2 buckets of number 1. Got one here and one up there, which isn't a bad little hoard of copper. Hopefully when it goes back up to 260, I can sell all this and make like 3 grand, hopefully. But it ain't worth nothing right now. I'll be lucky to get like 4, 5, maybe 6. I had like 800 bucks for all of it probably, instead of like 3,000 to 4,000. All right, well, thank you everyone for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.